check this out. We are launching YouTube in Español. That's right. We're gonna be launching YouTube videos in Spanish.
What?
Yes! 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 This is probably one of the most exciting things for our brand. The channel is now live. Click the link in the description to go to our Young Nails in Español channel. We're gonna be launching videos translated in Spanish for our entire Spanish-speaking community. So you don't have to do the captions or any of that anymore.
What?
Just click, watch, and learn. We are dedicated to bringing this content in other languages. We feel like it's important. We believe this is the next step for Young Nails, to take all these videos, thousands, in other languages. We must have our content in Spanish. This is huge.
Do you realize how huge this is?
There's like 1.1 billion Spanish speakers in the entire world. Ooh. What you're gonna see is as we roll out videos, one by one, they will be translated fully in Spanish. With time, we're gonna have a massive library of nail content, all of it on our Spanish channel. In total, I hope it's clear how important it is for us as a brand to have our content in Spanish. We are excited about this new channel. We're excited about bringing content to you in Español. This is gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. We'll be launching weekly videos for now, and in time, we'll be increasing that more. Enjoy the content in Español. Gracias por todo. We will see you later.